Hello, I'm going to be showing you today how I stitched out this little star motif inside of these circles that I have in this star on a Judy Niemeyer. It's called Celtic Wave. What I have discovered over time is that to keep these stars flat, there's a lot of seams coming into one spot. If I stabilize those stars first with some circles, then it seems like I can do whatever I want in there and they stay flat. I'm not sure why that works, but it does. So I need to draw a horizontal, a vertical, and diagonal marking lines. I'm going to use the piecing for my diagonal marking lines, so I don't need to draw those. So I'm just going to come in here with my ruler through the center of those star points and the center of the piecing and mark a line. I'm using my Fons and Porter white mechanical pencil. Just love that pencil. It makes a nice fine line that I can see. Okay. Now I have a little stencil here from Stedler, I think, is it? Stadler. And it has all sorts of different sizes of circles. And when I was starting out to do this design, I played a little bit to decide which sizes I wanted. But in the end, I decided on this size right here for my center circle. I'm just going to mark that. It's got little crosshatch marks that I can line up with my previous marking. And then I went with the 1 3/4. So to be a little more clear here, I'm lining up these little marks on my stencil with my crosshair mark. And now I'm going to mark that. And when I'm done, I'll show you how I get that marking out. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab a little ruler and I'm going to start at one of my diagonal points and I'm going to pull my thread up and do my little tie off. Okay, so now I need to stitch from the point to the inner circle halfway in between the diagonal piecing mark and the mark I've made there. And I'm getting pretty good at eyeballing it, so I didn't mark where that was. I'm just going. So now I'm going to go back out to a star point, back in, back out, Did you notice when it got awkward on one side of my hand, I switched the ruler around to the other side? Okay, now I'm going to go around again, but this time I'm going to the inside circle. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go 1, 2, like that, all the way around. And I'm there. So now I'm just going to grab a product that I like to use here. This is called So Clean. And I'm just going to spray a little bit on a slightly damp sponge. And then I'm going to come in here, and there go my marks. That easy.